Have you ever tried quitting something like sugar, caffeine, or social media all at once? The first day feels okay. The second day feels impossible. And by the third, you're questioning your life choices. That's what we call going cold turkey. Welcome to English with Bruce, where you learn real English that people actually use. If you haven't yet, hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss your weekly boost of powerful English expressions. The idiom cold turkey means to quit something suddenly and completely. No slow steps. No just one more. You stop right away. So when you quit smoking, drinking, or gaming all of a sudden, you're going cold turkey. The closest Korean expression is 단번에 끊다 or 작심하고 끊다, meaning to quit something at once with determination. Business examples. The company went cold turkey on micromanagement. No more endless reports. Just trust and accountability. Our team went cold turkey on unnecessary CC emails. Now our inboxes finally breathe again. Everyday examples. I deleted all my food delivery apps last week. I'm going cold turkey to save money. She stopped scrolling TikTok at midnight and went cold turkey from social media. About time. So next time you quit something all at once, no easing in, no second chances, remember, you're going cold turkey. If today's idiom hit home, smash that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And be sure to catch Wednesday's fresh, fast-paced business English that'll make your speech pop with confidence. See you then. And don't go cold turkey on English practice.